So for our Starlink, first thing is you want to attach the base here and then have the dish with an unobstructed view of the north sky. This isn't great, but yeah, somewhere where people won't tend to walk in front of it if you want reliable service. And then on this Ethernet cable, try not to kink it, don't close it in doors tightly because there are like 20 wires in there that can get damaged fairly easily. So you're just gonna set up the dish and then lay out your cable where it won't get damaged, and then plug in the router, and that's pretty much all there is to it. And then the password will just be on the top for the system. To take it down, because you need to fold the leg, you're going to power cycle the dish, so just unplug it, plug it back in, and then fairly quickly we're going to try to put it dish down, and then after a minute or so it will kind of auto orient the leg so you can fold it. So when that folds, we'll just unplug it. And go ahead and fold, little guy. You can do it. Okay, we'll be back after this regularly scheduled program. Okay, it's going completely erect. That's a good sign. Now it's folding. Perfect. Now we're going to unplug the router. We can push this little button and pull the base off, and it'll be good to pack up.